Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see how you can get this 60 plus premium courses and 400 plus hands-on interactive labs offered by KodeKloud e-learning platform for absolutely free of cost. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in the description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So Coursera is a very good e-learning platform in which you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Duke University, Amazon, or Stanford University, HCC Paris. So all these top companies and universities are offering online courses across different subjects like data science, business, computer science, information technology through this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this subscription will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, and you can also access job-ready certification programs that are offered by some big companies like Meta and Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. So now let's see how you can access KodeKloud premium courses for free of cost. But before that, let's take a moment and see about the courses available in KodeKloud e-learning platform. So currently there are 65 plus premium courses in KodeKloud e-learning platform, and they offer courses for a lot of different categories like DevOps, programming, automation, IAC, Linux, containers, Python, CI/CD, HashiCorp, Cloud, Kubernetes. So you can see here they offer courses for a lot of different categories. You can see here all these are premium level courses, and if you want to know about any one particular course, you can just click on it. You can just click on the course title and you will see all the details about that particular course, like what you learn, who's going to teach you. So everything will be given in the course page. What is the duration? So all the details you can get it from the course page. So not only these premium courses can be taken for free now, but you can also access their learning paths for free of cost. So KodeKloud offer role-based learning paths and domain-based learning paths. So in role-based learning paths, you can see here right now there are 6 learning paths. So if you want to become a system administrator, you can just go ahead and take this learning path. And there is a Kubernetes administrator learning path, site reliability engineer learning path, Kubernetes developer, DevOps engineer, platform engineer. You can see here the number of courses included in this learning path and how many hours of learning content is available for you, and that is also mentioned here. So these are the 6 role-based learning paths available in KodeKloud right now, and domain-based learning paths are also listed here. So there is CK learning path, CKAD, there is certified Kubernetes application developer, certified Kubernetes security specialist, IAC, Kubernetes, DevOps, programming, Docker, GCP, AWS, CI/CD. So there are a lot of learning paths available in it. You can see here. So now you can access these premium learning paths and premium courses for absolutely free of cost. So on a minimum level, if you want to access these premium courses and learning paths, you will have to spend at least $35 per month. You can see here, if you choose the monthly payment option in KodeKloud, and if you go for the standard plan, it is going to cost you like $35 per month. And their KodeKloud Pro plan will cost you like $45 per month. And even if you choose the yearly option, it is going to cost you this much. But right now, you do not have to pay this much amount. You can access these premium courses and learning paths for free of cost. So let me tell you how this works. So click on the link in description, go through all the details and come to this page. And here you can see that KodeKloud is completely free for 1 week from 25th September 2023 to 1st October 2023. So you can see here all premium courses and labs are 100% free for a week. So all you need to do here is simply click here and give your email address and then choose your core interest, whether it's Kubernetes, HashiCorp, Linux, whatever it is, just choose it and click on this enroll button. So let me just do that and catch up after that. And then you'll be directed to a page like this, and you will see here confirm your free access, and on the right side you can see that you will get free access to the courses, labs, everything, and no credit card is required for this process. So all you need to do here is just create your account in KodeKloud. So simply log into your KodeKloud account if you already have one, or else you can just sign up using your Google account or Facebook account or LinkedIn account, or else you can just give your details here manually and click on this sign up with email and create your account and log into it. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. So once you're logged into your account, you will be directed to the dashboard section like this. So just scroll down here and click on view all courses here, and you will be directed to the course catalog section in KodeKloud. So that's it. Now we can access all the KodeKloud premium courses for free of cost. You can just scroll down a bit here and see the all courses section. So all these courses can be accessed for free of cost now, right now using this offer. So simply click on the course in which you want to enroll in and go to the course page, and you will see start course button. Click on it and take the course. For example, let me just show you this 12-factor app course. So just open any course that you want, just open it. You will see here start course button. So click on it and take the course, learn for free of cost, and after completing the course you can get your course completion certificate as well. You'll also get community support. So I hope you will find this offer very useful. This is an excellent opportunity to access KodeKloud premium courses for free of cost, so make use of it. And if you want to get more updates about online courses or offers that are running in e-learning platforms like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.